This is the Honor 500 Pro. It has the same Snapdragon 8 Elite processor as the flagship. It has a larger battery than the flagship, and it's likely going to cost $300 less. Today, we're looking at the confirmed specs, the new iPhone Air design, and asking the big question: is the era of the $1,200 phone officially over? Let's start with the design, because the leaks were right. Honor has ditched the oval Art Nouveau for a horizontal bar. It's giving distinct Robocop or Pixel vibes, but cleaner. They call it a cold-carved unibody. It's launching in aquamarine, pink, black, and silver. And finally, we have confirmation on durability. IP68 and IP69K. That means it can survive high-pressure water jets. So if you drop this in the shower or a car wash, you're fine. The Honor 500 Pro seems to mix familiar mid-range features with a few specs you usually see on premium phones. On the front, the device reportedly comes with a 6.55-inch display with a 2736-1264 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The design also sticks to the recent trend of clean, simple shapes, featuring a large flat panel with rounded corners and a metal frame. Under the hood, this is where it gets confusing, in a good way. The Honor 500 Pro is running the Snapdragon 8 Elite, not the 8s, not the Gen 4, the Elite. This is the same 3nm chip found in the Magic 8 series and the Xiaomi 15. It means you are getting top-tier performance for gaming and on-device AI. Speaking of AI, leaks suggest a dedicated AI button or pressure-sensitive zone on the frame to summon the new Magic agent instantly. It's said to be paired with 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage, but that's likely the highest tier option. We are expecting the lineup to start at 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, like its predecessor. One of the biggest highlights is the 8,000 mAh silicon battery, and previous leaks add that it will support 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless. This is arguably the battery king of 2025. The device will run on Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. Cameras are the only place you see a slight downgrade from the Magic series. You don't get the variable aperture or the massive 1-inch sensor, but you do get a 200-megapixel main shooter and a quality 50-megapixel 3x periscope. For 99% of people, this is more than enough. So here's the bottom line. If you don't need a 1-inch camera sensor, wait for this phone. The Honor 500 Pro launches November 24th in China. If the global pricing lands around the $600-700 mark, this is an instant recommend. I'll have a unit in hand next week for the full battery drain test, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.